Good morning children. Welcome to 5th standard online class Maths. Now let us continue with the class.
Start.
Okay, we'll start now. First one, see, write the place value of underlined digits according to the Indian place value chart. So here the number is given as 2513110. So the first digit from right to left, the first digit is 0, which comes under ones place. Next tens place, 1 is in tens place, 3 under hundreds place. Again 1 is under thousand place, 5 under 10,000 place, and 2 is under lakh or 100,000 place. So the underlying number here is 1. Now can you see 1? Where is this 1? 1 is under 1000 place. So the place value of this underlined 1 is written as 1000. Now let us go for the next one. 90304 So again from right to left, 1 comes under ones place, 4 under tens place, 0 under hundreds place, 3 under thousand place, 0 under 10,000, and 9 is under 100,000 place. The number which is underlined here is 0. This one, where does it come? Under 10,000 place. As it is 0, you have to write the place value as 0 itself. Coming to the next one, 5357003. So again we will start from the unit place or ones place, that is 3 under ones, 0 under tens, 7 under hundreds, 5 under thousand, then 3 under 10,000, and 5 is under 100,000 place. The underlying number here is 7, which is under 100 place. So the place value of 7 here is 700. Now let us go for the next sum. Write the place value of underlined digits according to the international place value chart. What is this international place value chart? See, when you come to Indian place value chart, it comes like ones, tens, hundreds. This is grouped as ones. Then this is 1000, 10,000, 100,000, which is grouped as thousands. So after 3 digits there will be a comma. Now I will write the same number here. 1, 2, 8, 4, 9, 6. So units, tens, hundreds, after that you have to put a comma. Then 8, 2, 1. So like this you have to classify into 3 digits under international place value chart. But Indian place value chart already you know it is like this. Now 2, 5, 1, 3, 1, 0, wherein the first 3 digits will be like ones and then comes the thousands. So from here you have to take for 2 digits comma. That is for an Indian place value. But for international place value it should be after 3 digits you will have to put the comma. So here they have told you to find out the place value of 1. And where does that 1 come? Yes, now here the number is 128,496, which has to be written under international place value chart. So let us start with the ones place. It is 6, 9, see here, 4 under hundreds, 8 under 1000, 2 under 10,000 and 1 is under 100,000. The number which is underlined here is 1. So which is under 100,000. So the place value of 1 is 100,000. This is 100,000. Coming to the next one. So again the next one is 1, 3, 2, 8, 5, 9. So 9 under ones place, 5 under tens, 8 under hundreds, 8 under hundreds and 2 is under 1000. Next 3 is under 10,000 and 1 is under 100,000. So the place value of 1 here is again 100,000. Next number 1, 5, 2, 8, 5, 9, which is read as 152,859. So 9 under ones place, 5 under tens place, 8 under hundreds place, 2 under 1000 place, 5 under 10,000 place and 1 is under 100 place. But the number which is underlined here is 2. So where does 2 come? 2 is coming under 1000 place. So the place value here is 2000. This is how we have to write. Hope all of you understood. Now let us go for the next one. Solve the following. So first one here you can see the plus sign. Plus sign shows that it is addition. So we have to add these numbers. Let us add the numbers. So what are the numbers here? It is 4 and 6. So after 4 you have to add 6. So you can open your fingers. You can open your fingers. So after 4, if you open 6 fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So when it comes 10, 0 has to be written under ones place and 1 has to be carried over tens place. So now here 1 plus 3. After 1, take 3 fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 8. So 4 in the mind and again 8 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in 12 again 2 you have to write here and 1 should be carried. Now coming to the next one here, 1 plus 6. 1 in the mind and 6 on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again 7 in the mind and 1 on finger. After 7 it comes to 8. Next 8 plus 3. 8 in the mind and 3 on fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 is written here and 1 should be carried over. Now 1 plus 7. After 1, 7 on fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 in the mind and 0. So 8 plus 0 is nothing but 8. Coming to 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind and 2 on fingers. After 7 it is 8 and 9. So now your answer is 9,81,820 is your answer. So the same way you can add this and you can do it as a homework. You please please do it at home itself. Now let us go with the next one. This is minus. Minus is nothing but subtraction. So let us subtract this number. What is the number here under ones place? 6 and down it is 8. So 8 is bigger than 6. You cannot minus. So what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from here. Now this becomes 16 and here because 5 from 5 already 1 is taken. So here what remains? 4. Now from 16 you are minusing 8. So from 16 when you minus 8 what happens? So 6 from 16 minus 8. So you have to minus 8 from 16. So what you have to do? After 8, if you have counting from here, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally how many fingers? It is 8 fingers. So you have to write 8. Now here 4 and here 4. So 4, you are minusing 4. What will be the answer? It will be 0. Now here 3 and again 3. So you are minusing 3 from 3. It becomes 0. Now here 1. But here it is 7. Again 7 is greater than 1. So what you have to do? You cannot minus 7 from 1. You will have to borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 11. And from 9 when you minus 1. Here it becomes 8. So now what you have to do? Keep 7 in the mind and count up to 11. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So totally how many fingers? Now 4. So the answer will be 4 here. Now 8 minus 8 will be 0. Here 5 minus 2 will be 3. So this will be your answer. The same way you can minus this. Only hint I will give you. When there is 0 on the upper side, you cannot minus. So what you have to do? You have to go for the next number. The next number is also 0. So you will have to borrow from here. So when you borrow from here, it becomes here 10. And here it will be, because already you have taken 1 here. This will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. From this 10 you will be borrowing here because this is also 0. So when you borrow from here, this 10, 1 here, this becomes 10. And here what remains? 9 will be remaining. So this is the hint I am giving you. You please do it at home. Now, let us go for the next one. Find the product. Product is nothing but multiplication. So here you can see 9, 6, 3, 9 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0 itself. Anything, any number let it be. So 0 9s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 6s are 0, 0 9s are 0. The whole answer is 0. Anything which is multiplied by 0 will be 0 itself. Now coming to this, 95 into 100. So 95 into 100, it will be like this. So first what you have to do? You have to multiply this number. Then you will have to multiply the next number. So what happens here? 0, 5s will be 0. Again 0, 9s will be 0. Now you have to put plus under 1's place. Now you have to take the second number. Second number also again the same way. 0 5s and 0 9s. So 0 5s is 0. 0 9s will be also 0. Coming to the next one, again you will have to put plus for 2 places. Now 1, so you have to multiply first this one and again this one. So 1 5s 5 and 1 9s will be 9. Now you will have to add. When you add, now when you add, it becomes 0, 0 plus 0 again 0, 0 plus 5 will be 5 and then 9. So your answer for this will be 9,500. 500. Even in the simple way you can do. The simple way is 95 into 100 means, because both the zeros are here, so you have to only directly multiply. 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9, and because 2 zeros are there, that 2 zeros you have to put. That also will be the same. This one more method you have to do. Okay, now let us go for the next one. Next one is 681 into 30. 681 into 30. So first again you have to multiply 1's place 0 with these three numbers. So 0 into 1, then 0 into 8, then 0 into 6. So 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 8 also 0. 0 into 6 is also 0. Now we have to put a plus here. 3 ones are, again the same way you have to go. 3 ones are will be 3. 3 eights are 24, carry 2. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 18, 19, 20. So now we have to add 0, 3, 0 plus 4 is 4. Again bring 0, bring 2 here. So your answer will be here 204. This will be your answer. Coming to the next one, this you can do yourself at home as homework, you can do it. Now let us go with this one. $168 multiplied by 2000. This again you can do in a simple way. 0 you just leave it off. Directly you can start with 2. 2 8s are 16. 6 carry 1. 2 6s are 12 plus 1. It will be 13. Carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. But we have not taken these 3 zeros. So those 3 zeros you can add here. So your answer will be 3,36,000. 0, 0 and so this will be your answer. That you can do as a homework. Thank you children. We will continue in the next class.